welcome. In this quick guide, we're going to walk through how to mute a video post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC app. If you've been scrolling through your feed and a video starts blasting sound unexpectedly, don't worry, muting it is super simple. Let's dive right in. First, open the Twitter app on your computer. Once you're logged in, head to your home feed or your profile page. You can mute a video from almost anywhere: your timeline, a retweet, or even a reply, as long as there's a playable video. Next, find the video you want to mute. You'll see the thumbnail appear just like any other post. Move your cursor and hover over the video. As soon as you do, a few icons should pop up on the bottom corner of the video player. Now, look for the small sound icon. It usually looks like a little speaker. If the video is playing with sound, that icon will appear filled or animated. Go ahead and click on it once. That instantly mutes the video, turning off the sound. The icon will then change, usually showing a slash through the speaker, confirming that it's muted. If you play another video afterward, you might notice that X remembers your last sound setting. So if you mute one video, the next videos may start muted too. That's handy for keeping your feed quiet if you're in a public space, or just prefer a silent scroll. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can control your experience and keep videos on X silent whenever you want. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference when you're trying to browse in peace. So the next time you encounter a loud video post on X, remember: hover, click, and mute. Thanks for watching.